Making slides takes too much time. You have the ideas, but you lose an hour on fonts and boxes. Gamma.ai says it can do that for you. You write one prompt and it builds the whole presentation. Today I won't just talk about it, I'll build a real 10 slides presentation live. I'll show you the good parts and the parts you should be careful with. Quick version first. Gamma is an AI tool. You give it a prompt and it builds a design for you. And it's not just slides. It can also make documents, web pages, social posts, and simple graphics. But today, let's build a presentation. Here we go. From my workspace, I click Create New, and I pick the AI option. Then I click Generate. This builds from one prompt. I set it to 10 cards. The cards are the slides. Small note. If you want more cards, like 15 or 20, that needs a paid plan. For the card design mode, I stay on Classic. There's also a Studio mode, but that one needs the Pro plan, so I skip it. Now the most important part, the prompt. Create a professional 10-slide presentation about the evolution of electric car sales in Europe over the last 5 years. Include annual sales trends, the countries with the highest EV adoption, the key growth drivers, market challenges, and a conclusion about the future direction of the industry. Use clear charts, updated data, a modern business style design, and a concise professional tone. So I'm asking about a 10-slide deck about electric car sales in Europe over the last 5 years. I tell it what to include and I ask for charts, fresh data, and a clean business style. A clear prompt gives a good result. A lazy prompt gives a generic one. Then I click Generate Outline. And in a few seconds, the outline shows up below. Titles, sections, and the main points. This is the part I like. The structure is usually the slow part, and Gamma does it fast. I read it, I remove a few extra lines, and I rename some titles. I do this before the design, so I guide it early, not later. Now the settings. For text content, I pick concise. For most slides, less text looks better. For the theme, I pick piano. For the image source, I choose AI images. For the art style, I pick photo. And for the AI image model, I leave it on auto. One thing to know here, on a free plan, auto uses the basic image models. The best ones, like GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana 2, need the Pro plan. Pro costs $25 a month. It's a bit cheaper if you pay for the whole year. Keep that in mind. Okay, I hit generate and it's fast, under a minute, and I get a full 10-slide deck. And honestly, the result is good. I get a clean title slide, a bar chart that shows AV sales growing from 1.4 million to 3.5 million, a chart for market share, the top countries, the growth drivers, the challenges, and a clear conclusion. The charts look clean and the data even has sources. For a first draft, that's really strong. But now the honest part. A few things to be careful with. First, the images. On some slides, the AI image didn't fit well. It pushed the text around and made it look messy. So I had to fix those slides by hand. And like I said, for better images, you need the Pro plan, with models like GPT Image 2 or Nano Banana 2. Second, credits. Creating the deck costs credits, and editing it costs more. On the free plan, you get them only once, not every month. And don't expect it to be perfect from one prompt. The first draft is strong, but I still had to edit it. That's normal. When the deck looks good, I had 2 ways to use it. First, I can present it right inside Gamma, or I can export it. And here you get a few options. I can export it as PDF, PowerPoint, to Google Slides, or image files. I can even post it straight to LinkedIn. One thing to be careful with is the PowerPoint export. Even Gamma warns you. Some effects don't carry over, like special text or backgrounds. So if you need a clean PowerPoint, test it before a big meeting. So what's my honest take? For a clean business presentation, fast Gamma is really good. In a few minutes, I had a full 10-slide deck with charts and sources. If you make a lot of decks and you want speed, it's a great choice. Founders, marketers, teachers, students, it works for you. But be careful if you need strict brand rules or a perfect PowerPoint file. If you want top quality images, plan for the pro plan and the credits. Gamma won't think for you, but it takes the boring part away so you can focus on your message. That's the full picture, the good and the parts to be careful with. I'll put a link below if you want to try it. And if this helped you, a like and a short comment really help the channel. See you in the next one.